Hello, and for today's video we are going to be interviewing a couple people who are fans for the bowling team and who are on the bowling team. So let's go on with the video.
I think it's great that Sanborn has such a variety of sports for people to choose from. You really have anything you could ever want. We have bass fishing and the more traditional sports like basketball and softball. But then we also have bowling, so it's nice to see that every student gets to express their own interest.
Thank you for watching. We're Sports News, and make sure you subscribe and like this video. Thanks.